Today, we're announcing something completely new, a real savings journey that I've been thinking about doing for a long time. I'm going to be saving $100 a day, every day, until we've saved enough to buy my amazing wife a new car. First off, let's cover why I'm doing this. The goal is very personal to me. For those of you who don't know already, my wife is an amazing person. I'll put a picture of her here somewhere on the screen. She has supported everything I've done, with the late nights working on our real estate and taking financial coaching client meetings in a parking lot while on vacation. And this is something I've wanted to do for her for a long time. Now, I know that number might sound crazy, $100 a day, but I'd like to do this by spring of 2026. So that doesn't leave much time. The point of this series is to show what intentional savings looks like in real life and how having a system makes any financial goal possible, no matter the number. Since I stand behind what I teach my clients, I want to document what it looks like to save up in real time. For those of you that follow the budget series, you'll see I don't have a current car payment, and I don't plan on getting one just to get what I want faster. So every dollar that we set aside is going to go into a Fidelity government money market fund. It's called SPAXX or SPAX, where it earns a little interest while staying completely liquid. It's very similar to a high yield savings account, but is held within a Fidelity brokerage account. For anyone who's curious, SPAX invests mainly in US government securities and short-term cash equivalents, which means it's designed to keep your principal stable while earning interest. Basically, it's where you can safely store cash for short-term goals, like the SCAR fund, without it being idle in a checking account earning next to nothing. So each day I'll transfer $100 into that SPAX fund, track the progress, and give consistent updates right here on the channel. Now, I get it. Most people could care less about someone on YouTube saving up for a car. But here's what I want people to take away from this. It's not about the amount, it's about the process. Maybe you can't save $100 a day, and that's okay. Maybe your number is $10 a day or $25 a day. The point is to start somewhere and just stay consistent. Because if you train yourself to save money with a purpose and not what's left over at the end of each month, you'll be amazed by how quickly things start to change. By doing this publicly, I want to make savings real again. Not something you see from people on social media, but something that we actually do together. And the deeper goal is to inspire you to think differently about money, to start saving on purpose, and to create systems that actually work. So if you want to follow along with the savings journey and even start one of your own, subscribe to the channel and comment down below with your personal goal. Your goal doesn't have to be a new car. Maybe it's a vacation you've been wanting to take, a home you've had your eye on, or simply just saving for retirement. The process is the same. So if you want to follow along the journey and see my wife's face when she gets her new car, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video.